Even though the country is yet to formulate regulations for investing in cryptocurrency, there was almost a 20,000% increase, from $200 million to $40 billion, in crypto investments in India in the past year alone. Several people rode the wave and reaped unparalleled returns on their investments. So, how can you get started? And which is the safest way possible to invest in cryptocurrency in India? Let's explore. Why is crypto booming in India? Despite the Indian government's debatable stance on crypto assets, cryptocurrency investments in India are still increasing. Startups like Wazir X are even introducing newer concepts like non-fungible tokens, NFTs. What are the reasons behind this uptick? Low internet costs, rising real estate prices, and increased taxation on metals like gold and silver also seem to have contributed to the paradigm shift of investing in tangible assets. Moreover, the introduction of cryptocurrency brought an unprecedented degree of latitude for people as young as 18 years of age to invest and grow their portfolios. Rise of crypto exchanges in India. The high inflation rates in India along with the restrictive and non-streamlined modes of investment presented a golden opportunity for visionary entrepreneurs to set up cryptocurrency exchanges in India. Due to the intrinsic nature of crypto and blockchain technology, entrepreneurs like Nishchal Shetty were able to give rise to crypto exchanges that have an intuitive and easy-to-use user interface. These crypto exchanges also offered almost no annual maintenance charges, AMCs, and a much lower trading fee. With 24/7 availability, minimal design, and potentially sky-high returns on investment for any individual, crypto exchanges boomed. The most favored cryptocurrency, judging from the market cap, is the OG token Bitcoin, BTC. However, many argue that Ether, ETH, the native token of the Ethereum network, could soon replace Bitcoin. Other popular crypto tokens are Polygon, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Polkadot, Cardano, Solana. Hope you gained some knowledge from the cryptocurrency video. Please subscribe the channel to know more about finance.